Hey loves, today's video is a day in the life. I wanted to show you what a typical day looks like for me right now. I wake up around 6 a.m. and get ready for the day. I do my hair, my skincare routine, I'll make the bed, and I'll get dressed. I'm usually always wearing some kind of workout attire because I like to do my workouts first thing in the morning. So I head downstairs, I'll take all my vitamins and make my AG1, which this has replaced my coffee lately. I felt like I was having too much sugar in the mornings with the creamer, so this has actually been a really good switch for me. I feel a lot better.
Breakfast?
And then I feed the dog and the cat. And on this morning, I started with a walk outside.
Good mornings. Hi. Good morning, Kailua.
And it's so pretty right now with all the blossoms on the trees. And I even saw a flock of birds flying on this morning, and I caught it on camera for you. Jumping from cliffs so high. I just love when I can get outside first thing in the morning. It helps my mood so much. Bring on the warmer weather.
And I'd like to thank Best Buy and the Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch for sponsoring today's video. This is my new favorite workout buddy. I wear it all day and night because it really helps me to track my health and wellness. You guys know about 4 months ago, I was just feeling really low, feeling really depressed, and I knew I needed to make some changes, and this has helped not only hold me accountable, but make me feel so much more motivated to keep going because it monitors my steps, it monitors my heart rate. When I'm at the gym, I get little encouraging notifications on here when I've worked out for a certain amount of time or when my heart rate's been at a certain level for a certain amount of time, and it's just so motivating to keep going. And I love the app is so user-friendly. So when you get it, you just scan, go right to the app to download it, and it monitors your sleep for you, which is another big piece of your overall wellness. I love that it shows me how many hours of deep sleep I've gotten every night and how many hours of REM I've gotten every single night. And it just gives me an overall score then for how I'm doing with sleep as well. So I can monitor my activity level and my sleep and just know that I'm doing all the things that I need to do to take good care of myself so that I can take care of my family and take care of my babies. Because, you know, as women, there's so much that we're doing all the time for everybody else, and the only way that we can do that is if we're truly taking care of ourselves. And the Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch has definitely been helping me to do that. It's so user-friendly, and I think the best part about it is it's really, really affordable. I'll have it linked down in my description box below. Make sure that you use my link because then you get an extra $10 off. It's available at Best Buy.
You can do in-store pickup,
or you can do really fast shipping if you're looking to get this as a gift for someone for Mother's Day. I really do. I think this makes the perfect gift for any mom or woman in your life who's like a mom, because what greater gift can you give to somebody than improving their health and wellness? So it does come in a couple of different color options. I went with the white band, but you know, you can pick the option that works for yourself or whoever that you're gifting this to. You can also customize the background. It's got everything again from monitoring your heart rate, your steps, your sleep. It has the weather. You can play music through it. You can set it up to get text and phone calls through it. It's so user-friendly and again, incredibly, incredibly affordable compared to other smartwatches out there. This Mother's Day, give the gift of health and wellness with the Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch available at Best Buy. And again, thank you to Best Buy for sponsoring today's video. I'll have the Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch linked down in my description box below. Again, use that link so that you get $10 off.
After my walk, I went to pick up the kids from their dad's house so that I could take them to school in the morning. He lives about 10 minutes from our house, which is really nice, and I love getting to see them before going to school. All right, I love you. Have a good day. Bye. Love you. Have a good day, Presley. Bye, baby. Love you. Bye. Then Hayden and I had to run to the store, so of course we played the new Taylor Swift album on the way. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite song from the new album? When I got home, I unloaded all of the groceries and got Hayden a snack.
One of us gotta say the
Love you. Hey. A good snack. You want to share some with me? Like a bite? Yeah. Mmm, yummy. Thanks for sharing with me.
And a little bit later after we played, I went to make his lunch and I realized the fridge just needed a good cleanup. So I organized all of that. After Hayden's lunch, it's his nap time, so I put him down and got some work done before it was time to pick up the older kids from school.
You like the new theme in here? The blue.
And my mom ended up stopping over, so the kids got to hang out with her for a little bit. I got all of our pictures printed from last summer, and I needed to put Goo Gone on the frames because they had, like, you know, the stickers like won't come off, and some of these are from my sister's shower too, but I'm gonna put the new pictures in and set them up in the family room. I love changing the pictures in the family room for each season. It's just an easy way to sort of update your space for the holiday or for whatever season it is. And if you want to see my full spring into summer clean and decorate with me, be sure to watch that video next. It's got some summer decor inspo for you. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills.
Alright, I just really quickly threw this on because it's Landon's birthday dinner that we're going to tonight with Gigi and Papa. So, running late, gotta go. Huh? Yeah. Go on in. I know. The kids are waiting at the door for them. Hi! Hello!
Now you know that you got your clothes so.
Are you guys hungry?
And then you have to hand the money over to mom.
You want me to hold it for you? Okay, I'll try not to spend it. Not right now. Not right now.
You said you were
Get some.
You said
You don't want to poke yourself in the
I said
eye.
I'll try not
Are you gonna go, boy?
Is your bunny fixed now?
Yeah.
Yay!
I lost it.
And here's what I got in the mail, and I thought this is for present.
Aw, that's so sweet.
It's got the Virgin
Mama,
Mary
I
on it.
lost it. I
Aw.
lost mine too.
Yeah. Edamames.
That one,
What's your name, boy?
Landon.
Landon, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. One more. Finish. Hiya, baby. Let's go, boy.
Here's your volcanoes.
Hey. Ready? Oh, ah! And then now, one more for you. One more try. Yeah. All right.
Ah!
Yeah. you ready?
Oh,
Go.
Yeah. Ah, steady.
I crawled around the bone.
Okay. Mama, you try it.
Go, Gigi. Ah!
One more. Uh-oh. One more.
Try to.
Little go, slow down. Yeah, sister. One more.
Oh!
More please. Yeah.
Oh!
One more. Yeah, nice. Let's go.
Oh, so close.
One more. Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Oh my gosh, my favorite dinner ever. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Landon. Happy birthday to you. Everybody cheered for you.
Landon's birthday dinner was so fun. I'm so glad we got to do that with Gigi and Papa. They are seriously the best grandparents. I'm so lucky that I've had them in my life and that they've been in my kids' lives. They're always the ones helping to watch the pets when we go on vacation, driving us to and from the airport, and they just mean so much to me. I appreciate them and I love them so much. But after we got home, everyone took baths, got into PJs, and Landon and I ended up watching a show together because Presley and Hayden wanted to watch a different show, so they watched it upstairs in my room. And then the little two decided they wanted to have a sleepover together, which I just thought was so sweet. So when it was bedtime, I went in to say prayers and tuck them in. And Presley has gotten so good at reading, she asked to read the bedtime story. So they're just the cutest together.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Next, time to tuck in Landon, my 9-year-old. I truly don't know how that is possible. How is he 9 years old? The time is just flying by.
Make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
And I head to bed, but really I'm in bed doing some more work before actually going to bed.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
So this is pretty much what a day in my life looks like right now as the kids are wrapping up their school year. It's crazy. They only have, I think, 4 weeks left of school. And then it's summer break and Presley has her dance recital. And then the day after her dance recital is over, we're leaving for Hawaii. And we could not be more excited about that. So that's what life looks like right now. But if you have any other video requests you would like to see between now and when we go to Hawaii, videos you'd like to see when we are in Hawaii, let me know. And if you have any questions about anything, let me know that too, because I might do, you know, some other kind of like sit down Q&A, you know, type something either in a video or in one of the upcoming videos that we have here. But thank you for watching and subscribing and supporting our family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.